Hi, back at Killingworth Lake in North Tyneside. Fishing this morning. It's mid to late April. There's a little breeze on the water. Been here for an hour or so. Thought I'd try maggots today. I had a blank last time. Oh, we'll see. So I've set up a rod with a cage and with hemp seed crush and maggot, white maggot. I tried red maggot first and now switched to white, and I've also got a float rod. So sticking on the cage at the moment, and then I'll try a little bit with the float rod later. It's a lovely morning. Get a bit pestered by the swans and the geese, etc., but it's not too bad. So I'll let you know. Currently might go a bit lighter. I think I might be a bit heavy with my tackle, but we'll see. Well, I've had no success whatsoever on the float. Tried maggot on the bottom, a little bit shallower. But the roach on the cage feed with maggot went down to size 18 double maggot, over towards the little floating island in the middle, and a nice little roach. But that's it really. So currently the blossom's coming off the trees. It's a little bit of a snowstorm of blossom, but we'll come back probably in about a month's time. I know this place picks up quite well for the silverfish. Thanks for watching.